Actually, there is one way Trump is like the shark. He sucks in air like he's about to go back underwater. In the end, this week of revelations about Trump's predatory behavior has pulled the curtain back on the moral cowardice of many in the Republican Party. Trump's supporters and his enablers in the GOP will go to virtually any lengths to dismiss or excuse his worst behavior. And now, in the wake of these latest allegations, Trump supporters and even some in the media have tried to focus not on the substance of the allegations, but on the timing.
The big pushback from the campaign thus far, other than we're going to sue, this is all a lie, is why now? Why did they wait so long to come